How to join a WhatsApp group with a link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how we can join a group using an invitation link, whether it's for work, family, or a special interest group. Joining a WhatsApp group with a link is super easy, so let's just get started. First, you need to receive the invitation link for the group you want to join. The group admin will send you this link via text, email, or another messaging platform, and that is how you will be able to access the group. Otherwise, you can directly ask for the link through the WhatsApp direct messages. Once you have received the link, for example this one right here, you're going to tap on it and this will open up WhatsApp automatically and bring you to the invitation link. When you tap the link, you will see the preview of the page, including the group name, description, and group icon. You may just take a moment to review the group details and make sure it's the group you want to join. And if you're happy with the group details, just tap on the join group button. You will be seeing if you have not joined the group. To become a member, just go ahead and tap on it. And that is it. Now you know how exactly to join your WhatsApp group with the link. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe, and drop any questions in the comment below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.